Hi, I'm Martin Noller from Steiner Optics, introducing the 5 to 25 military scope. It's new for this year. It's been out of the scope market for about 20 years. Last year we introduced the military scope line, which included the 1 to 4, 3 to 12, and the 4 to 16. This year we're introducing the 5 to 25. Follows the line of the rest of the military scope series, 34 millimeter tube, first focal plane using a Gen 2 mil-dot reticle. The turret is a little bit different from last year's models. This scope actually has 26 mils of adjustment in the elevation rather than 19.5 of the others. The rotation indicator is also a bit different. Instead of having an actual D10 that actually comes out to show you your second rotation, this one actually will show you your second rotation there. So it actually comes up, it's almost fail-proof there, rather than having to remember that you are in the second rotation. They are illuminated as well, intermittent off between each setting. The glass is German glass. Everything else, one big difference is that the rest of the line is American made. This is going to be produced in Germany.